A 24-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is an advanced electronic power supply unit designed to efficiently convert input voltage to a stable 24-volt direct current, DC, output. These power supplies are commonly used in industrial applications, telecommunications equipment, and various electronics that require a higher voltage level. A 24-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is a compact and efficient power supply unit that converts alternating current, AC, from a wall outlet into a regulated direct current, DC, output of 24 volts. SMPS technology utilizes high-frequency switching to control and maintain the output voltage efficiently. These power supplies are commonly used to provide stable power to various electronics and systems, including industrial machinery, telecommunications equipment, LED lighting, and automotive applications. The 24-volt SMPS is known for its ability to deliver a consistent voltage, compact size, and energy efficiency, making it an integral component in numerous electrical and electronic devices across different industries. A 24-volt SMPS, switched-mode power supply, is a dependable and efficient power supply solution ideal for industrial, telecommunications, and high-voltage electronic applications. Whether you need to power industrial automation systems, telecommunications equipment, or high-voltage electronics, a 24-volt SMPS ensures precise and efficient power conversion.